So, hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So, today our topic is how to install Infinity Ops in your mobile device. First of all, you need a stable internet connection. If you are using Android, you can go to Play Store, or if it's iOS, you can go to App Store. I'm using Android, so I'm going to my Play Store. Click on the search icon and search here for Infinity Ops. So click on install. So this is how you can install in your mobile device, whether you are using iOS or Android device. You can install this mobile game in both devices. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and bye.